Hashmita Das, third year MBBS, M.V.J Medical College. So I heard about DigiNerve from my class rep, who told me that it was a great platform to learn about our classes that are held on a regular basis, but in more detail and in vision of competitive-based examinations. Videos are really good because they help us bridge the gap between conceptual and clinical-based learning, and they really help us write answer-oriented paragraphs. It really helped me in learning more about pathology and helped me scope better in pathology by relating the conceptual-based learning to the clinical part of it. MCQs are great for CBME based learning, especially now that has been introduced in our curriculum, and it also helps with preparation for competitive based examination. It's really great that the faculty is mostly those who are authors that have written their own books, so that's very lucrative. Clinical-based scenarios are really helpful for CBME based learning and can help you gain knowledge in the clinical field. DigiNerve is a great platform for NEET PG. It caters especially to the Indian population, the curriculum and the needs. Top dog bane wahi jiska guide ho sahi.